I made over $15,000 this past week selling digital products, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it so you can copy my strategy. Whether you're brand new or already dabbling in the digital space, this video is going to break down the steps I took to create multiple income streams using a method that absolutely anyone can start with. Yes, even if you have no experience. By the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly how to choose a digital product strategy that actually pays you, set up a freebie that builds your email list on autopilot, use a free system to automate your sales, yep, even while you sleep, pick the best platform to grow your income on, discover the number one in-demand skill set that you need in 2025 if you want to make money. So grab a cup of tea or a coffee, get comfy, and let's dive in. First, you need something to sell. If you want to make money online, it all starts with one thing: having something to sell. Whether it's an actual physical product, a program, or a service, you need an offer to exchange for income. So let's walk through 4 of the most common ways to make money online, along with the pros and the cons of each, so you can pick the best fit for you. So option 1, physical products. Let's think Amazon, Etsy shops, or drop shipping. They're tangible, easy to understand, and familiar for most people. The cons, you're dealing with inventory, shipping, returns, and often really small profit margins. It's also not very passive. And 2, create your own digital product. Now, this could be an e-course, an ebook, workshops, templates. The list is really endless. The pros, it's you're in full control, have authority, and keep 100% of the profit. The cons, creating from scratch can be a little overwhelming. You have to figure out what your audience wants. You have to build it, host it, market it, handle customer support. 3, affiliate marketing. You promote other people's products and earn a commission when somebody buys through your link. The pros, you don't have to create the product yourself. You don't have to deal with the customer service or fulfill orders. It's great for building passive income. Some of the cons are that you only earn a percentage and you're relying on somebody else's offer, pricing, and deliverability. So if they change it, it affects you. Now, option 4 is completely done for you digital products with the master resale rights. This strategy is what I chose when I started. You buy a digital product that gives you the rights to resell it and keep 100% of the profit. The pros are it's a proven product. It's ready to go, has complete setup, and you make full profit. You're getting educated and earning at the same time. Some of the cons are not all MRR programs are created equal. So you need to choose one that includes live support, tech help, and done for you tools, or you'll end up frustrated and stuck. I have personally tried all 4 options, and honestly, the done for you digital product with resale rights was the game changer for me. It took away all the tech overwhelm and actually let me start earning while I was still figuring things out. So if you're curious about how it works, then you want to grab my Freedom Formula blueprint I use to get started. It's free. It's in the link below. Just go and grab it. So you could have the best product in the world, but if you skip what I'm about to share with you next, you're going to totally stay stuck. So now that you've got something to sell, whether it's your own product or an affiliate offer, or you're using a master resale rights program like me, let's talk about one of the most crucial but most skipped steps is building your email list. This is where the freebie comes in. A freebie is something valuable that you give away in exchange for someone's email address. You can give a guide, a checklist, a mini video training, something that helps your ideal audience take a small but powerful step forward. Now, here's why this matters so much. You don't own your social media accounts, but you do own your email list. If TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook shuts down tomorrow, just like the ban on TikTok that we went through recently, we've seen it happen, your whole business can be gone, poof, unless you've got your list. This is exactly what I've done in my business. So check this out. This is my capture page where people enter their email address because they want to learn more about the digital program I'm using. The best part, the program I joined gives me this completely done for me. So I didn't have to create it, design it, build it, or guess what to write. I just uploaded it with one click and it was ready to go, which I liked. It was good for my 55-year-old brain. When someone enters their email address, they get a series of emails that explain the program and walk them through how it works, answers their common questions, all automatically. And here's the beautiful part. If they're not interested, they can easily unsubscribe. If they're curious and want to know more, they can simply hit reply to any of my emails and then we can chat. There's zero pressure, zero chasing people, and no awkward DMs. Just value driven info delivered automatically, giving people what they need when they need it. How awesome is that? Honestly, I skipped this step for years, and that's why I struggled. Once I implemented what I learned in the program, everything shifted. Okay, so how does that automation magic actually work? And what tool did I use for free to make it happen? So stick around because what I'm about to share with you gave me my time back and made this business finally click. So once your freebie is set up and people are joining your list, the next step is to set up automated email sequencing. And that is where the real time freedom kicks in. This is what I call my freedom machine. It literally works while I'm having fun. Because when done right, it runs 24/7. It never sleeps, it never calls in sick, it delivers value, builds trust, and even closes sales while I'm camping, hanging out with the grandkids, or off exploring with my hubby. The platform I use for this is called System.io, and it's incredible. It lets you build out your entire funnel from the capture page to the email sequencing to the sales page, and it's 100% free for up to 1,000 email subscribers. So you can get everything set up and even start making sales before you ever have to pay a dime. I've put the free link to System.io in the description so you can check it out for yourself. Now, here's what you need to know. Like any system, it can take a little time to learn. It's not hard, but there's a learning curve. I watched people get overwhelmed because they didn't know how to connect all the moving pieces. That's why I chose a done for me program that I'm using because it didn't just give me access to System.io, it gave me everything already built for System.io. So I'm talking a fully done for you website. Like this is mine right here. Like how awesome is that? A converting capture page, which I showed you before, a complete automated email sequencing, and a step-by-step training on exactly how to upload it and launch it all. Literally, it's a business in a box. It was so good for my 55-year-old brain. All I had to do was personalize it with my name and my story and upload it into System.io with the click of a button and the publish. The program not only taught me digital marketing, it gave me the tools to actually use it. And let me tell you, once I saw my first sale come through from my Freedom Machine, it was like I was hooked. If you're more of a visual learner, you're going to love the free class that I'm linking below. It takes you behind the scenes and shows you exactly how this whole educational blueprint works. But automation only works if people actually see your offer. So let's talk about the best platform to grow your audience and your income. You don't need to be everywhere on social media. You just need to be where your people are. And for me, that started with TikTok. I grew a 6-figure business using free organic TikTok videos. But over the last 6 months, I've shifted my focus to YouTube. And honestly, I wish I had done it sooner. I was a little intimidated by YouTube, but here's why. YouTube videos live longer and continue to bring in traffic for months and even years later. YouTube pays you for your content through AdSense. So you literally get paid just for showing up and serving. You can link your freebie and affiliate offers right in your description, creating multiple income streams from one video. Whether you're into dog training, money tips, DIY, or want to teach digital marketing like I do, YouTube is a long-term income engine. Now let's discover the number one most in-demand skill set you need to make all of these pieces work together, because without it, nothing sells and your business stays stuck. This is what turns your setup into real income. So you could have the perfect product, a beautiful freebie, killer automation, and post on every platform. But if you don't understand digital marketing, you won't sell a single thing. Let's be real. The internet is noisy. People are scrolling fast. And if you don't know how to stand out, connect with your ideal audience, and guide them to take action, your message gets lost. That's why Forbes says that digital marketing is the number one most in-demand skill set that you need to learn for 2025 and beyond if you want to make money. Like every business, online and brick and mortar businesses need it. Every entrepreneur trying to grow online needs it. And the good news is it's a learnable skill set. So when I finally discovered a digital marketing blueprint that literally showed me how to do everything that I just shared with you in this video, I knew it was the missing piece. Like it gave me the done for you templates, the in demand digital products that I could resell for 100% profit, a fully pre built website, capture pages, and an email system, tools like system.io to run my entire business for free, live tech support and weekly mentorship calls, and an education all about how to do digital marketing the right way. And it covered everything all in one place. I was like, woohoo! Like after wasting money on random courses and piecing things together, strategies from here and there, and they just never worked. Finding this system was a light bulb moment for me. It was the first time that everything actually made sense. And it's still the number one thing that I recommend to beginners today. So if you want to see exactly how it works, just watch the free class that I linked below. Like it lays it all out step by step. If you're feeling overwhelmed, tired of Googling everything, and just want a system that actually works, this is it. A complete business in a box that teaches you how to make money online and gives you the exact tools and strategies to do it with. That's how I went from working my 9 to 5 to making over $15,000 last week. And what I learned from this program still serves me today. It's the reason I now have 13 income streams and I get to spend more time with my family, traveling and making memories from an automated business that I run from my phone. Watch this next video right here where I show you how I scaled from 0 to 650K, retired at 55, and how you can start today with a blueprint that's been a game changer for so many of us. Thanks for watching.